In this video, I will show you where to get promo code deals for Match.com. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what you want to do is open up any web browser, head on over to Google. Once you're inside Google, type in promo codes for Match.com in the search bar and then click search. And now if I scroll down, we got these third-party sites offering promo code deals. So we got a big one called Coupon Follow, got Groupon, we got RealTellMeNot, It's Worth the Penny, etc. So you can check out any one of these sites and they do offer promo code deals. But the one I like to use is called Coupon Follow. And these deals do change daily or weekly with these sites as well. So be sure to check them out at later dates. Alright, as you can see, I'm inside Coupon Follows deal. So we got save 25% off Match, 20% off, $5 off, 25% off, etc. So you can check out any one of these deals. And if we scroll down, you'll be able to see expired deals. So we've only got one expired deal at the moment. So you can kind of get a sense of what they do offer in the past. So if you want to activate any one of these deals, simply click onto it. So I'm going to use this first one, save 25% off at Match. So from here, click on copy and paste this code at the checkout section of Match.com to redeem your 25% off your order.